And joining us this morning to talk about this is brain health expert Dr. Romie. We love you, Dr. Romie. Great to have you back. We've missed you, so thanks for coming back to see us.
An important study to discuss this morning.
It's actually a little scary. We're talking about something that we're doing to ourselves that's actually changing our brain.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm sure you weren't shocked when you read it.
It's not. You know, as a neurologist, we've been watching this data, Amy, for a decade. But this latest research that came out of Germany in Addictive Behaviors Journal, German researchers looked at MRI scans, the brain scans of 26 people that are addicted to their phones, and they compared it to 22 people who have no smartphone addiction. And the findings were alarming, that not only is your brain shrinking in areas known as your temporal lobe, your parahippocampus, that's important for emotions and memories, but what was even more important is these are the findings that we see in people that are addicted to cocaine and other stimulants.
Oh my.
Yes.
And I think we all kind of look at ourselves and say, okay, I think I'm addicted to my phone. I don't know if I'm addicted to my phone. How do you know?
Well, if you heard the bumper to this segment and you whipped around your neck to listen to what Amy and I had to say this morning, there may be a problem. Yeah. But here's the thing. Smartphone addiction is actually classified as you start to feel anxious or withdrawal if you don't have your phone. So you're driving and you can't help but to pick up and check if you got a text message or email. You can't get through a business meeting or a class in school without checking social media. That may be a sign that you're addicted. Symptoms that actually happen are similar to drug withdrawal: anxiety, feeling antsy, and short-term memory issues. Yeah.
So I always kind of use it as the barometer. If you leave the house and you forget your phone, can you get through the day without it, or can you not? Is that a good barometer?
It's a good barometer, but a lot of people listening to that probably just started to get heart racing and palpitation. I use the triple D method to help my clients: divorce, digital detox, and distractions. You need to create, number one, a mindset that you're going to divorce your digital device during certain activities. A business meeting, sitting through a class at school, on a date, right?
Sure.
And then create a distraction for your hands. Your hands are addicted to touching the screen and looking at how many likes and follows you're getting. So do something like an adult coloring book or knitting. And last but not least, digital detox. We preach this. I serve as Chief Wellness Officer at Evolution Hospitality. We ask our employees 1 hour before bedtime, can you shut off your digital devices? No email, no social media, and create a period of digital detox. That's how we start to regain our brain health, Amy.
I almost worry that we are creating a whole new generation of narcissists because the kids have become so obsessed with their phones, taking pictures of themselves, that they really can't think about much of anything else.
Well, Amy, the literature shows it's not only children, it's adults as well. And it's this need for gratification that somebody is going to like and share something, but really the brain is never happy that way. How we're happy is when we're sitting in front of each other and looking at one another in the eye and saying hello rather than counting your likes and your follows.
Do you worry about the future for this generation?
I do. You know, we're creating an environment in schools where children are now expected to be on their digital devices. And we know that these similar studies show that increased rates of ADHD and anxiety are being seen in children, especially those who can't get away from their digital devices. So we have a lot to worry about, but there are solutions, and it all comes in balance. So remember, digital detox, divorce, and distraction from your phones.
You're the best, Dr. Romie. I don't know what we'd do without you. Thank you so much. What is your website if people want to read more about you?
DrRomie.com, and a lot of great solutions for smartphone addiction there.
You're fabulous. Thank you, Dr. Romie. All right, let's talk about what's happening outside. That's